you go, Brody. Oh, can you get on? Oh, try that side. It's because you got a tractor in your hand. Come on. There you go. Swing your leg over. Yep. Not going to let go of the tractor. Oh, maybe. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Whoa. Brody. Oh. Uh-oh, crazy driver. You're crazy. Let's scoot you forward. Hi. Oh! Something just ran over my seat. Ran into the chair. Alright. Well, just push it a little bit. Uh-oh. There he goes. Uh-oh. Good job, Brody.